He was standing on the edge of a bridge, in the rain, alone, and nobody in the world knew he was there. This is the story of what happened in the next 4 minutes that saved his life.
3 years earlier, Daniel had everything. Good job, beautiful family, a home he built from scratch. He used to thank God every single morning. He had no idea what was coming.
One phone call. That's all it took. The company was gone. The paycheck, gone. The savings, gone in 4 months. Then, the house. His daughter asked him one night, "Daddy, are we going to be okay?" He smiled and said yes. He didn't believe it.
Every night, Daniel prayed the same prayer. God, please, I'm still here. Don't leave me. But heaven felt silent. And there is nothing more terrifying in this world than crying out to God and hearing nothing back.
That's when he found himself at the bridge. And for the first time in his life, Daniel thought about not going home. Then he heard footsteps.
An old man sat beside him, didn't ask his name, didn't offer help. He just looked out into the dark water and asked one question. Why are you fighting this alone, when the one who made you is sitting right here with you? Daniel turned to answer, but the words wouldn't come. Only tears did.
Without a word, the old man reached into his coat and placed a folded piece of paper in Daniel's hand. Then he was gone, into the fog, into the night, like he was never there. Daniel opened the paper. 4 words. He is not finished.
That night, Daniel prayed differently. Not for a job, not for money, not even for his house back. He prayed one thing: God, give me the strength to trust you. That was it. And something shifted. Not outside, inside.
The next morning, his phone rang. A small construction company. Basic work, low pay. He took it without hesitation. He showed up early, every day. He worked like it mattered, because it did. Months passed. That job became permanent. Permanent became promotion. Promotion became a company of his own. But here's what Daniel says now, and this will stay with you.
God didn't take everything from me. He removed everything that was blocking me from becoming who He built me to be. Maybe you're at your bridge right now. Maybe heaven feels quiet. Maybe you're almost out of strength. Then this video found you for a reason. He is not finished with you either.
Before you leave, there is someone in your life right now who needs to hear this story. Share it with them right now. You might not know it yet, but you could be their stranger at the bridge. And if faith stories like this speak to you, subscribe. There are more waiting.